Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to transform your video content into viral shots. Alright, so to do this it's quite simple. For this case we shall use TikTok. So you come to your TikTok account or your TikTok application, and point to note is that those who are in USA, you can now use TikTok. It's back. So once you come to that, come to this plus icon here. Once you come to this plus icon here, you wait for it to finish loading. Okay, so once you come to the plus icon, it's quite simple. You'll come over here and tap on this gallery. Once you tap on gallery, you'll choose your video content you want to make viral. So for this case, I'll choose that video content of mine. Then I'll tap on next. And then once I tap on next, I'll tap on next once again. And then if you want to make it viral, you have to put some hashtags. So you come to the hashtags here, and then in the hashtags you have to put go viral. Hashtag go viral. Okay, if you don't put this hashtag go viral, then you won't get viral content. Then another hashtag is viral itself. Okay, and then the last hashtag is for you page. For you. Alright, so I didn't put the hashtag for you. Alright, so once you put this, just tap on post, and then once you tap on post, trust me, within a few as you've heard me, in a few minutes your video content will then go viral, and you'll come back tomorrow finding a lot of views. So basically that's how to turn your video content into viral. Thanks for watching.